Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Thank you for taking time out of your day to be here. And today is hashtag 52 weeks of colorspiration, where each week my co-host and I, who is left-handed crafter here on YouTube, and she will be linked down below, post a coloring page. And we are using two books, which I've shown before. However, it's only mandatory that we do the same page in those books on the last Sunday of the month, and then the rest of the month we can use other images in those books, and I often do. But the last week and this week I'm doing something different. And there are others also playing along. If you play along, please let us know and we'll add you into the description box. Also, as far as I know, we only have Polly's Pretty's Coloring and Crafting playing along, and I will link her channel down below as well. Okay, so this week I did another page out of my Gnome for the Holidays coloring book because guess what day it is? It is Sunday, May 11th, 2025, which is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day. Um, this one took me a while, and I don't know if it's because I was really tired. I started off trying to color it on my sofa. Yeah, that didn't work. And then I was like sliding down, getting tighter and tighter. And then um, I was up early this morning and finished it, most of it. Um, I started off trying to use only Tombow water-based markers for most of the base coloring except for the table. But then I added some glitter gel pen here for the Happy Mother's Day and in the center of the flowers. And I have some new metallic markers. I tried them on the cookie cutter and the knife. I'm not real happy with how they turned out. They come on more opaque than I thought. Anyway, they are what they are. And I used some metallic gel pens on the jar, the bowl. Mm, mm, I think that's it. Metallic gel pen on the bowl. Oh, the spoon. The spoon, the jar, and the bowl. And let's see. Just a little glitter on the flower. Oh, the eggs have a glitter gel pen as well. I think that's all. Yeah. So I don't know if you can see the glitter on the Mother's Day. I used a pink and what I thought was a dark pink. I guess it's like a purpley red. I don't know. I do notice sometimes when the glitter gel pens dry, they pull away from the edges. I don't think I missed it. And I tried to go back over it, but I still see one spot. So anyway, that's what I did. Happy Mother's Day to everyone that is a mother of any kind, even if it's just a pet mother. And I guess I'll erase this pencil and sign this in ink. I wrote on here in pencil the dates I thought it would be, the dates of the holidays, so I would know when to do them. Now I have missed some, like I haven't done the last few, quite a few. And I should do that rainy one because, man, are we having rain lately. Last week and this week, you would think it was April showers, but we're, coming in the middle of May. So yeah, this is a really cute book. Um, Yeah, I didn't do quite a few. I was originally going to try and do these for each of the holidays. I did the first three and then a couple after that. So Gnome for the Holidays coloring book by it's a Creative Haven book. Find Your True Colors by Teresa Goodrich. So I really like it. And let's see what the next one is. Summer kite flying. Well, I don't know. We'll see. I said summer or do this for Mayflowers because it has a lot of flowers. I might skip and just wait and do one in the summer. We'll see. So, and then I'll have some to do next year, and then hopefully by next year I can finish it, right? So, yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. I love reading your comments. I probably ought to do something with the frame. I didn't think of that till just now, and I'm not going to do all this background. In fact, that's why I brought in an alcohol marker to do the table, because it's just more area, and it was just faster, and that was the last thing I colored, and it was I was tired of coloring this page. Anyway. Alrighty, guys. Have a wonderful day, whether it's Mother's Day or Father's, with the mothers, or just you're by yourself. Have a great day. It actually, yesterday and today, beautiful days. And then we're heading for rain again throughout this coming week. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys. Take care. Hugs, love, and peace. And yeah, hug somebody or tell them you love them today. All right. Take care. Bye.